Alright, so make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, open the Skool.com and logged into Skool account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile. From your profile dashboard, go to your community dashboard, click View next to your community name. My community is named Community 1, and as you can see, I currently have 2 members. To remove someone, head over to the Members tab at the top bar of your community. This will open up the full list of everyone inside your community. If you've got a lot of people, you can use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to remove. Once you've located the member, click on the gear icon next to their name, that's the membership settings. Now scroll down and you'll see 2 options: remove from group and ban from group. The difference between the two is, if you remove them, they'll be out of the group, but they can still request to join again in the future, and it's up to you or your admins to accept or reject them. If you ban them, they'll be permanently blocked. They won't be able to request access again, and when they try to visit your community, they'll see a message saying they've been banned, but it won't tell them who banned them. Once you click your chosen option, just confirm it. And that's it, the member is gone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.